In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted tasks in Microsoft To Do. If you've ever accidentally deleted a task in Microsoft To Do, there's a good chance you can bring it back using Outlook. That's because Microsoft To Do stores your tasks in your Microsoft account, the same place Outlook uses behind the scenes. When a task is deleted, it often moves to the Deleted Items folder in Outlook, and that's where you can restore it. Here's how to do it. Open Outlook on your computer or head to Outlook on the web in your browser. Either works. In the left panel, find and open the Deleted Items folder. This is essentially the recycling bin for your account. Scroll through the items, or use the search bar at the top to look for keywords from the task's title. Tasks might appear like messages or items rather than the classic task icon, so don't worry if they don't look exactly like they did in To Do. Once you find the deleted task, right-click it. Choose Move, then Other Folder, and select Tasks. In some versions, you may see a Restore option that sends it back automatically. After you move or restore it, switch over to the Microsoft To Do app. Give it a moment to sync, and the task should reappear in the correct list, just as it was before deletion. If you're not seeing it right away, refresh the app or wait a few seconds for the sync to finish. A couple of tips to make this smoother. Make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account in both Outlook and Microsoft To Do, because the Deleted Items folder is tied to the account where the task lived. If the task had just been created and was deleted almost immediately, it might not have synced to Outlook yet. In that case, it won't show up in Deleted Items, and there won't be anything to restore from there. Also, when searching, try different keywords you might have used in the task title, and check the date when you think you deleted it to narrow things down. When the restore works, most details, like due dates and notes, come back with the task, and it should land in the same list it belonged to. That's the beauty of restoring through Outlook. You're putting the item back into the Tasks folder that Microsoft To Do reads from, and that's it. Open Outlook, go to Deleted Items, find the task, move it back to Tasks, or hit Restore, then check Microsoft To Do. Simple, fast, and often the best way to recover a task you thought was gone.